Welcome to 90 Cunningham Street, Taringa. Boasting a Mediterranean vibe, this home is low maintenance and offers 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a large garage for 2 cars, another 2 off-street on a 414 block. Rich in character, high-set, open-plan living, dining, kitchen flowing out to a really lovely deck with beautiful northerly views. Close to everything, Indooroopilly shopping town, Toowong village, Brisbane CBD, close to trains, it's close to the University of Queensland. This is a really excellent location. Do come and have a look.